what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam. Ain't nowhere to be, but I gotta get there fast. There's a cold wind calling my name. Feel a good time. Morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way.
A lifeguard. I mean, if someone went down, I hope the lifeguard next to me would know how to do it. And my dad would just be like,
Give yourself enough love. She live a life hand in a tight glove. I wish that I could fix it, I could.
Their hometown values and certified training can solve any problem with your vehicles. Call Roadrunner Repair at 507-357-61.
She said, have I got a little story for you? What you thought was your daddy was nothing